How to connect Framer to Shopify. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to connect Framer to Shopify. And is it possible? Well, first, what you're going to do here is you have to create an account on Framer so you can continue with Google, or you can continue with your email address and your password. For me, the easiest way to create a Framer account is through connecting your Google account. And this is what it looks like. So to start with a project, what you're going to do is you have to click this new project right here. And basically here on Framer, you can start by adding landing page. You can start by adding portfolio and other pages. At the top left corner, you will see options such as insert. You can see here a layout. You can also see here pages, layers, assets, and so on. So you can also add here other elements if you want. So plugins, if you want to add plugins. Okay, so to start, you can go and tap this plus icon and then look for pages. Here you can see landing pages. You can add page here, portfolio. You can also add other project page right here and so on. So for this time, if you want to start with something, just click this add landing page. And basically, this is what it looks like. So here in the landing page, you can add the name of your website. For example, the website or my website is Just With Me. I will be promoting some of my products like dress or any clothing products that I have. So basically, I can add a name right here and then change the color or edit the style of my title page or my product page or website page. So to change the color, just double tap or drag the word or name and then scroll down, look for the color icon right here. Then here you can change the color of your page site or the name of your page. You can also change the font style, the heading. Everything is up to you. Now, as you can see, there is this frame below. Here you can browse or add a file or upload a file. Specifically, we're going to add an image here. So here you can use Canva, or you can just simply add or upload your image or your product. But if you want your website or page to be more enticing, I strongly suggest to use Canva. There are tons of designs, templates, elements here that you can use for you to promote your product. So for example, this one, all you have to do is to change this, upload your product, and then drag your product up here. So this is what it looks like, and you can also change the background color. You can change the font size, font style, font color. You can add more images. So for the sake of this tutorial, I just add pictures from elements. But of course, if you have your images, if you have your products ready to promote or to sell, I strongly suggest to upload your photos and pictures, drag, or just add it right here. Now go back to your Framer, choose image, upload a file, and this is what it looks like. So basically you can edit this. There are tons of features here on your Framer, and then you can also adjust the size. So basically this is what it looks like. Now if you want to add more pages here on your Framer, just go back to pages, click the plus icon, or you can just basically tap this add section right here. Now you can add portfolio or add new pages, anything that can help you or that can make your website more enticing. You can go back again to Canva and then edit your product, the image that you want to add here. So it's the same thing, just tap the frame and basically you can add the image. So this is what it looks like. This is simple, okay? Just a very simple page here in Framer. Anyways, if you want to take a look or preview your page, you just have to click this play button, and this is what it looks like. Now, to simply add this to your Shopify, before, if you go to plugins and then search for Shopify, you can see the Shopify name, and all you have to do is to connect that. But now, if I search for Shopify or if I browse for Shopify here on plugins, unfortunately, I cannot find the Shopify platform. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Here are the results if I search for Shopify. So obviously, I can find it here inside Framer or Framer plugins. What you're going to do, maybe it depends on the region or place, you go to your Shopify store or you open your Shopify account, and then there in Shopify you will see their add application. Add apps. So if you tap this add apps right here, you have to look for Shopify App Store. Tap this one. And then here you have to search for Framer. Now, if you see the Framer here platform, then what you're going to do is you can just basically tap add or install. But if you can't find the Framer here on your Shopify store, the last thing to do is open a new tab and then you have to look for Framer Commerce. Okay, so type Framer Commerce. So actually, this Framer Commerce is a platform that can help you integrate your Shopify. So integrating Shopify with Framer enables you to design and publish visually appealing e-commerce website. But what you're going to do is you have to go to Framer Commerce. Now, this is what it looks like. As you can see, visually build your Shopify store. This is the result. And what you're going to do is you just have to simply create an account. Create an account using your Google. So tap continue with Google right here. And then you have to add your Shopify store, domain, and Shopify API key. So basically, I don't have that for the meantime, but if you want to connect, you just have to do that way. Just add your Shopify, okay, Shopify store domain, and then Shopify name and API key. So basically, that's it. Now, this Framer Commerce, this integration allows you to design Shopify stores directly within Framer, offering a seamless experience for building and managing your online store. Now, to set up your Shopify store, of course, you need to ensure your Shopify store is set up with products already, collections, and necessary configurations. Then after that, you can now install the integration plugin. So in Framer Commerce, you need to install the Framer Commerce plugin from the Framer Marketplace. And then you can now connect Framer to Shopify. So in Framer Commerce, use the Shopify API credentials to link your store. After that, once satisfied with the design and functionality, you can publish your store to make it live. As easy as that. So what you're going to do here is you just have to simply sign up for free. And I think in order for you to unlock some features here on Framer Commerce, you need to upgrade your plan. But everything is worth it. It's just so easy. You just have to simply sync your product data. You need to ensure that product data, including images, prices, and descriptions, are synced between Shopify and Framer. And then you can now easily publish your site. Okay, so that's it. So I really hope that this video helped you. This is not to mislead you, but this is just to show you the possible ways and how to simply connect, or let's just say connect your Framer to Shopify. If you can't see that Shopify inside the Framer platform, or if you can't see the Framer platform inside the Shopify. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.